Now first is triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Point A, B and C are corners of the triangle. Line segments AB, BC and CA are the sides of the triangle. Now you can see in this diagram, this is a triangle and these are the 3 corners of a triangle. I will draw here. See, this is a triangle. We will point it A, B and C. So point A, point B and point C. These are corners of the triangle. Corners or vertices. Next is the segment AB, BC and AC. Segment means starting point and end point, that is A to B. Segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. These are the 3 sides of the triangle. This is the first side AB, BC and AC. 3 sides of the triangle and 3 corners of a triangle. Now next is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. A, B, C and D are corners of the rectangle. AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are always equal in length. As we all know, see, rectangle is in this shape. Opposite sides are always equal. A, B, C and D. AB and DC, these are equal. AB is equal to DC. These are the 2 sides opposite. AD and BC. AD is equal to BC. These sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now which are the corners in rectangle? Point A, point B, point C and point D are the corners. And which are the sides? Side AB, side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. Understood? These are the sides of the rectangle. Now next is square. All 4 sides of a square are equal in length. A, B, C and D are 4 corners of the square. AB, BC, CD and DA are the 4 sides of the square. As in rectangle, similarly in square also there are 4 corners A, B, C and D. But all sides are equal in square. 4 sides are there and they are all equal. AB, side AB, side BC, side CD and side DA. A circle neither has a side nor a corner. Circle, see, circle is like this. It doesn't have any side or nor a corner. Radius, circumference and diameter. The line which makes the boundary of the circle is called its circumference. The line joining the center to any point on the circumference is called a radius of the circle. The line joining any 2 points on the circumference and passing through the center is called diameter of the circle. Now let us see what is radius, circumference and diameter. See, first circle. First we will make a circle. I will make it in rough. This is a circle. So this is the line. It is known as the circumference. It is the boundary of a circle. So it is called the circumference. और सर्कल का जो सेंटर होता है, सेंटर से लेकर एनी बाउंड्री तक, इसे हम रेडियस कहते हैं. फ्रॉम सेंटर टू एनी बाउंड्री, सेंटर से लेकर आप सर्कमफेरेंस के कोई भी पॉइंट तक, यहाँ पर भी ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द सर्कमफेरेंस इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. एंड द लाइन जॉइनिंग एनी 2 पॉइंट्स. अगर मैंने ये लाइन यहाँ पर एक्सटेंड की है, सी 2 पॉइंट्स जॉइनिंग द सर्कमफेरेंस एंड पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर. सेंटर से जो लाइन पास होती है और सर्कल के सर्कमफेरेंस को जॉइन करती है, टच करती है, तो उसे हम डायमीटर कहते हैं. दिस इज द डायमीटर. फ्रॉम सेंटर टू सर्कमफेरेंस, सेंटर से लेकर सर्कमफेरेंस तक जो लाइन जाती है उसे रेडियस कहते हैं. और जो लाइन 2 सर्कमफेरेंस को टच होती है पर सेंटर से पास होती है उसे हम डायमीटर कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? आप सर्कल बनाकर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. थ्रू द सेंटर इट इज़ अ रेडियस एंड द लाइन पासिंग through the center and touching both lines to the circumference of a circle, it is the diameter. Understood? So this is the practice time 3. Questions related to these topics you have to solve on your own. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in this lesson, shapes can be plain and solid. What we have studied? Shapes can be plain and solid. Plain shapes have length and breadth only, whereas solid shapes have length, breadth and height. Plain shapes have only one face, whereas solid shapes have many faces. Plain shapes are 2-dimensional, whereas solid shapes are 3-dimensional. प्लेन शेप्स में आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि अब देखिए ये स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर को सिर्फ एक ही फेस है. बट अगर आप क्यूब देखते हैं, क्यूब, इट हैज़ हाउ मेनी फेसेस? 6 फेसेस. हम इसे हर तरह से देख सकते हैं, अपर साइड, लोअर साइड. एंड शेप्स कैन बी प्लेन और सॉलिड. सी, प्लेन a flat or a level surface. Solid means an object having height, width and length. Face means it is the surface of an object. Edge, 2 faces meet to form an edge. And corner, 2 edges meet to form a corner. So here we have completed our lesson. You have to complete this practice time 3. And this is the homework you have to write in notebook. So complete up to here and send me the pics.